Alright, so I haven't made a Rex video in a while because I've been doing other things, but I've been working hard on Rex and I've got several changes done to Rex. I got a lot of programming done, but let me show you. I was going to try to make this game for Ouya maybe later, but I mean it's going to be mostly just a touchscreen. So let me show you one little thing that I had a difficulty. One problem that I found with the two-dimensional game is the layering. I kept finding myself trying to sort the Z depth. Okay, so what I did was I created this program, this setup, layering, this layer manager setup. So in the scene, there's this layer manager, and you can set the depth. So you can set start depth and depth, and then you say layers. You can create a layer, and you can move these layers around, and you can name the layers. You could right here. You could just name them, and anything you want. So I got these top three, and I got hit, and I got test layer. I have props above Rex, Rex. So that's where Rex is. And what this helps me do, what this layering system helps me do, is that it's all automatic. It layers the scene for me automatically so that I don't have to keep changing where the layer is, or I don't have to write down on a piece of paper where the layer is going to be. This just does it for me. This is all automatic, and let's go to let's go to Rex here. Let's go to Rex, and then let's go the container, and on here I have this script, the sprite layer mono, and it takes in a layer manager right here, layering scene model. That's basically just a manager, and I can give it any of the layers right here, any of the layers. I can right here, it can be assigned, and you could reflect. See how it says Z depth is at 0.42. So I could just say I can put this guy at hit FX, and then if I hit Control S, it's going to relayer it. You're going to see it. It's going to take a while. Just a sec. My computer gets really slow whenever I'm recording. And then see, now it changed it to 0.21 because the higher up, the top, this is the top layers. So the farther down we go, we're going to get closer to 1. So let's go to sky, and let's go here, and then it layered sky. Okay, you saw Rex just disappear right here. Okay, it got put behind this layer right here. Okay, because it's at 0.92 now. So let's put him back on Rex. Let's just put him back there. And what's really cool is I made the system completely updatable so that if I change any of the layers here, if I create a layer, and I move stuff around, this updates. This entire scene updates. So when I go back to Rex, oops, here. Gosh, my computer is just so slow. Okay, it would change automatically depending on any changes made. But I don't want to really make any changes because I don't have to. I already did everything. So let's go ahead and look at the scene and everything that I've done. Okay, so I have this new bumblebee. I have a sheep. The sheep. I have this bumblebee. Somebody commented saying that I should have chickens as the enemy. I agree. I will have chickens as an enemy, but maybe not this first level. This first level was just going to have these other type of enemies. This is the flagpole. This is how you finish the game. You get to the flagpole and you finish the game. And I'm still programming that part. Okay, I should probably finish that up today or tomorrow. I have of course, the apple trees, and I have these things now. I have a checkpoint. I don't know if you remember in Sonic, there used to be these checkpoint devices where if you die, you go back to the checkpoint instead of the start of the level. Well, that's what this is. It's a little checkpoint device. And I got this little house now. There's a house. This is supposed to be the grandmother's house. And you start there and you run through a level and you kick butt. So let's get out of here. Let us go to here. And let's just go ahead and just play it through so you can just sort of see, you know, what is going on. It's so slow. I'll give it just give it a couple more seconds. It's trying to play. There we go. All right. See how the check mark thing swirled like that? Here, we'll show it again. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the house, and I have these platforms, so you know you can go through the platform and then hit the bottom, and that's a really cool. I really like doing that with my programming, my mad skills at programming. See how it swirled? Now it's checkpoint. So let's go ahead and get hit by this guy, and let's not collect the feather again. And then let's go ahead and get hit again. Oh, I died. Ah. Rex got killed. And then I start back at the last checkpoint that I died at. So let's die again. Let's die one more time. And then I'm going to start back at the checkpoint. There I am at the checkpoint. And then we're going to float down here. Oops, oops, okay. Let's get some of this stuff. I got killed by the bumblebee. Son of a gun. Alright. I'm going to reset the camera. Yeah, now it just floats back, but I'm going to go ahead and reset the camera so that it just resets. I just haven't done that yet. Wham! Got that bumblebee. And I'm going to have a bunch of bumblebees so that it's like really hard to get them, you know. These guys are going to be complicated. Once you see this hive here, you're going to be like, oh crap, there's bumblebees. And you're going to have and then the flag goes up. The flag goes up the post. And what's going to happen is the screen is going to center around the flag post, and Rex is going to run off the screen. Okay, so right now Rex is just sort of what is it? You're still able to control Rex, but once you hit the flag post, Rex is gonna automatically run off the screen, and then the camera is gonna center on the goal post. So, let's go ahead and play that game again. Loading, and then the same level loads. It's supposed to be the next level, but I don't have a next level just yet. I did a lot of other behind the work scene with programming. There's been a lot of different things going on behind the scenes. Of course, nobody cares about behind the scenes because nobody ever sees that. I have a pause menu. I think I already showed that to you. Resume, home, reload. Okay, I gotta change the points. That's odd. Huh. Ah. Yeah, points 95. What was the other one? What was that saying? Oh, that's weird. Here, let me. 1575. Pause it again. 15. Okay, so something's wrong with the points. Okay, well, I'll fix that. Well, anyways, that's basically it. I had to program all these different variables, all these animations, all these different things. So a lot of behind the scenes work, but that's not really interesting. So I'm not going to show you everything. Like, look at all these scripts that I have. Look at all this. Look at all these scripts that are just for Rex, and then I got a whole system of Blob, the Blob artificial intelligence system that I have to work with. Look at all these, prefabs, whole bunch of prefabs, and I got all these animations. Look at Rex, got all these different animations, and I mean it's a tremendous amount of work, but it's actually a really fun kind of work, And but I am gonna have enemy chickens. I am gonna do other things. So hopefully I don't know when it's gonna come out. No, but hopefully soon. So let me see here. Well, I'm trying to stop the video, but it's loading very long time.